Students, now I am going to discuss the stability of submerged and floating body. So, in the last lecture, we have discussed two things. One is center of buoyancy. It is denoted by letter B. Okay. Another was meta center. So it is denoted by M. Okay. So these are the two criteria. To give the stability of the submerged and floating body. Okay. So center of buoyancy, it will give us the stability condition of a submerged body. And meta center will give the stability condition of floating body. We have already defined what is center of buoyancy. When a body is submerged into liquid, it will feel another force which is causing upward thrust. That upward thrust is known as center of buoyancy. So it is criteria for submerged body. Okay. And meta center means when a body is given a small angular displacement, then body starts oscillating. Okay. That point about which it starts oscillating, that point is called meta center. And meta center is the criteria for the floating body. First thing you have to mention like that. Okay. So stability means B means center of buoyancy. Okay. So it is the criteria for center of buoyancy is criteria for submerged body. Okay. Submerged body. In a similar way, M means meta center. Okay. Meta center, that is, it is a criteria to find the stability for floating body. Now let us see what happens. Now I am talking about the submerged body. Okay. So submerged body. Stability of submerged body. There are three conditions: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. Okay. So now center of buoyancy. Okay. So B is above G. This is called stable equilibrium. Okay. That is B is above G. Another point like this. Now B is below G. So it is called unstable equilibrium, where B is below G. Third point we can consider like this: at a point where B and G is there, so it is called neutral equilibrium. That means B is equal to G, where center of buoyancy and force of gravity will be at a same point. In a similar way, submerged body, it was for criteria for submerged body. Okay, stability of submerged body. Now I am talking for the floating body. So floating body criteria will be decided by M. Okay. So now see, this is the body. Okay, and it is tilted by a small angle. Then what will happen? this G will be there and this point is M. Okay. Now see when M is above G, this is called stable equilibrium. Okay. Another, suppose this body is like this, okay, and this M is this is called unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium when M is below G. Okay, M is below G. M is above G, then it is called stable equilibrium. Another is unstable equilibrium, that is M is below G, and one condition is like that when at a point G and M both are at a point, that is called neutral equilibrium. Okay, so these are the point criteria for the conditions like submerged body. Submerged body means center of buoyancy. One is stable when B is above G. When B is below G, unstable. At a point, both points are there, that is called neutral equilibrium. Now floating body means metacenter height is above G. Okay, stable. So that is called stable equilibrium. When M is below G, that is called unstable equilibrium. At a point where both points, metacenter and center of gravity are there, that is called neutral equilibrium. Okay, so these are the stability of the submerged body and floating body. Okay, thank you.